Today's dish is a wonderful egg dish. It's a one-pot wonder and it can quickly become your family's favorite. It's called Shakshuka and today it's a part of the popular local cuisine of Yemen, Israel and my family. So as I said, it's an egg-based dish. For me, it's a wonderful way to get my children to eat eggs without a war. Now before we start, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Anjalis Bake Affair. Now let's get started.
So what you need for shakshuka is eggs, of course. The quantity of tomato puree that I'm using today can easily give you a dish with 6 to 8 eggs. So I will be using 8 eggs here. You can accommodate and adjust the quantities according to the number of eggs that you will be using. So we will be using here 8 eggs, 1 onion finely diced, 1 capsicum finely diced, some seasonings like salt, black pepper, red paprika powder, cumin powder. You can also use garam masala. Then you need olive oil in which you're going to saute all your vegetables, and the puree that I've used is from about 6 to 8 big tomatoes. So these are your ingredients. So we'll begin with heating our pan. Put in a little bit of olive oil, let it heat, put in the onion, saute it well, and then the capsicum, saute that too. Once that's done, let's add in the seasonings. Once this is thoroughly done, put in your tomato puree. Be careful while pouring in the puree because the pan is really hot and it's going to splutter a lot. So you need to keep your face back, keep your heat low, and very gently work your spatula inside the tomato puree. Mix it all up very well. Taste the seasonings, cover it up, let it cook out. Once the water has cooked out, the whole thing is ready for your eggs. Now we are going to put in whole eggs, remember that. So you need to break the eggs carefully. And then first, what we'll do is we'll make little slots all over the pan between this red, juicy, tangy, spicy tomato sauce. And in these slots, we are going to place our whole eggs. 1 egg per slot. Oh, don't they look beautiful? Like beautiful yellow jewels in the middle of a red ocean. Once you're done adding the eggs, cover it up. Let it cook for some time. Now the cooking time here would depend totally on how well or how little you want your eggs to be cooked. I like them well cooked, so I cook them for about 6 minutes or so. So that is something you are going to decide yourself. Once it's done, serve it hot with your favorite breads, dinner rolls, roti, paratha, whatever you like. So make this. I'm sure you're going to love it. Until next time, bye-bye and enjoy.